In front of me is Honor 8A, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, just open the camera app, then click on the settings icon, and here you will notice timer, so just click on it and pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. I will go with 10 seconds, and if you click here right now, you will be able to see that at first you have the countdown and afterwards the picture is grabbed. You can smoothly prepare yourself for the photo. And that's it. Then if you'd like to turn off this super feature, just tap on the settings, go to timer and tap on off. As you can see from now on, the picture is grabbed immediately after you click. So that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.